Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set date and time on Redmi Note 14 easily. Alright guys, so if the time and date on your cell phone do not match the time in your area, don't worry because you can change the date and time easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to the settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and then go to the additional settings. And then now you can go to date and time. So if you want to change the date and time, you have to turn off the set time automatically. So yeah, now you can change the date and time. And if you're done, now you can see on the first page of your phone, the date and time has changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.